collapse of the slab of the Kala Academy. It is the first anniversary. I expect the Honorable Chief Minister to move a congratulatory motion congratulating this government on this remarkable achievement of turning our Kala Academy, जी आमगेली कलाकारांगेली एक शान आसली, of turning this into a structure or a monument of corruption. This government basically is full of nataks, and they have compromised our Madhai to Karnataka. आयच्या दिसाक म्हाका दिसता कर्नाटकाच्या काँग्रेस सरकारान एक बिल कॅबिनेटान पास केला, where they have promised that 100% reservation of jobs for Kannadigas, for the people of Karnataka, in the form of category C and category D in private firms. I believe it is high time that the Chief Minister learns. आज आमच्या गोंयांत कसलेच job reservation ना. We talk about 80% reservation in the house. They have come with 100% reservation for their people.